very productive day working on Gigantor. We finished shelving in the cradles, so that way there's more space between the wheel and tire and the link arms. And you can imagine that needs to be like that anyways, because a Toyota is 4 inches wider than a full-size diesel truck, so they need to be shelved in just like we did on Venom. So we got that done. We got the rear axle truss installed, looking really good, set at the new correct pinion angle with the pinion pointing directly at the transfer case. So that looks really good. It's where we need it, and it's ready for us to make new coilover mounts for the bottom and for us to make them up top. Got to attach that pan hard bar. So we got these on here and ready. The axle truss welded on, welded out, except the coilover towers or coilover mounts. I'm waiting till the end. I want to get the inner links welded in first, so in case we have to take this inner plate out to move it so there's room to weld that, we can. So that's why we're doing it like that. So tomorrow we'll get those welded on the axle completely, and then we'll move on to putting our coilover towers on, getting the coilover mounted and the bypass mounted, and then we'll be ready to cycle the suspension. Catch you guys tomorrow, and we'll get the rear links put on and get this thing ready so we can get it set up for coilovers. Looking real good on Gigantor, guys. We got our front 4-link mounts tacked on. You can see right there, look. All positioned. 4-link arms are perfectly square. So all set up in the front. Then we moved to the rear, and we did the same thing since we shelved in the Plan B Fab 4-link mounts. So there, look. Got them shelved in where they're going to go. Got our pan hard bar on. We're making a new pan hard bar because you see how that's threaded way too far out. That's dangerous. There, look. So, and then we put the American Force 2414s on with the 40-inch 13.5 Furies. We're looking really, really good. So now we're set up, guys, so we can put the front spindles on. They go there, look. We're going to get those put on. Get the brake rotors put on, calipers put on, so that way it's ready for wheels tomorrow. And then I gotta make a front cross member there, look, so we can get that. I had one on there, but I wasn't happy with it, so I made a new one. Looks much better and offers more clearance. So I got that plasma cut out and ready to be assembled, so that'll go on tomorrow, and then we'll put the coilover towers on and mount the coilovers up front before moving on to the rear. So let's go ahead and mount those spindles. New Land Cruiser spindles from Diamond Axle Front Range Off-Road. We're not going to put those on. We're just mocking up, so we don't need to put all the gaskets on. Here's our bolts for them. Let's put them on. All right, guys, very productive couple days on Gigantor here. We got a lot done. As you guys saw, we got our cradle shelved in to like my 4runner is and Venom is. Toyota frames are 4 inches wider than full-size diesel trucks, so that's why we had to move them in from where they were in the outer surface the way Plan B had it, because you wouldn't be able to turn the wheel and not hit the control arms. So we got them shelved in. We got our front 4-link mounts on, tacked on, ready to be fully welded. We got the rear 4-link mounts on and the Plan B 4-link mounts on, tacked on, ready to be fully welded. Like I said earlier, we're going to make our new pan hard bar. We're looking really good. We got the rear sitting on the wheels and tires, which is pretty cool. It's a 40-inch tire and it's skating it pretty good. So we're looking really good here, guys. Then we got the spindles on that we waited for a long time from Diamond Axle Front Range Off-Road. Got those installed with the Land Cruiser brake rotors and new hubs and calipers. And you know, I tightened that down old school with a chisel and a hammer. This is for mock-up. I got the sockets and stuff I need. I just didn't feel like walking over to the other shop building to get them. But we're looking really good here, guys. I'm going to end the episode here. In our next episode, we'll move on to getting the front coilover towers on and the coilovers on and fully welding the 4-link mounts and move forward to getting all 4 of these coilover towers and coilovers mounted and bypasses mounted on the truck. So it should be pretty rad. Thanks for watching today, guys. I appreciate it. You know, like and subscribe if you like what we do. If you like Cougar House Fab and everything we do here, follow us on Cougar House Fab on Instagram. Keep up with the daily story I'm very active on. And a long trip to SEMA here. You know, it's August 24th today, so that's how close SEMA is. We'll update you guys on the videos, and we'll be making them more rapidly now. We had to wait, you know, 6 months for that front diamond axle to come. So, and then same thing on Venom. I'm waiting for spindles and a few more parts before we can start working on it. But all right, guys, catch you guys in the next episode. See you then.